Hi guys, it's Miss Ashley here, and I'm really excited. We're gonna be doing a fun craft today where we take a Coke bottle or a water bottle, something like that, and we take some wooden spoons or sticks or even pencils and create a bird feeder. But first, I have a joke for you guys. Why could nobody find the bird? Because he was in disguise. You know, like disguise, like disguise, but disguise. Anyway, let's get started. Hey guys! So I've got my 2 spoons here and I'm ready to go. I've also got a Coke bottle, or water bottle works. I've got my funnel, and I've got some string or twine. I've got my bottle cap and my markers. I've got sharp scissors or a craft knife and about 2 cups of birdseed. So the first thing I'm gonna do is add 4 little dots onto my pop bottle. They're gonna be opposite each other on the bottle so that I will know where to cut my holes. Now the cutting part should only be done by an adult. It is hard to cut pop bottles. So we've trimmed 4 holes so that our wooden spoons can go in. We want to make the holes bigger than the spoon so that the birdseed can come out of the bottle. Next thing, it's time to add a design to your wooden spoons. It can be anything. Use your imagination. Once I've done that, I add my spoons and I take a funnel, add my birdseed, put my string on top and twist the bottle cap. I can tie it to a tree now or hang it up. Here's how ours ended up looking. There's plenty of room for the birds to land and have some birdseed. The girls made them too. It was a lot of fun. I hope you guys have a great week. See you next time. Bye.